With it. Yeah. But this is amazing. Now look at the flavor. Wow. Wow. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about, guys. These beautiful, healthy green juice. Very good for the stomach, very good for the tummy, good for everything. All right. I have a shot of lemon, olive oil, and cayenne pepper this morning. Big up yourself every time. Now, that is a very powerful thing to have in the morning. You know what I mean? Yeah. If that do anything to you, please just share it to others. I have to leave. So sorry. Oh, no worry yourself. Magic, 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 magic. Big up yourself. Don't worry yourself. Now, that drink is a very powerful drink.